So now when you are seeing the team playing that nyama football, that share football, you become angry. You can't withstand it. So sometimes that is why we complain. So please sometimes understand us. Yes, when you see your Chelsea winning trophies here and there, it can't go 4 seasons or 3 seasons Chelsea without winning a trophy. So at the end of the day, when you see that same team now struggling to even win games, it pains you as a fan. It pains you. So sometimes that's why we come here, open our mouth to 360 degrees, complaining every day. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. This is our boy Richman. In fact, guys, today everything will be boko. No complaints today. No. Today we are going to present and report. Yes, guys, Robert Sanchez said he will feel disappointed, plus the team, if Chelsea doesn't make top 4 this season, that they will feel disappointed. And when I read this, I was very, very happy. It seems now some of our guys, the winning mentality, the big team heart that we want them to have as players, it seems we are seeing it. By the way, another rumor said that Sanchez may leave if he is not in the plans of Chelsea next season. If he is not in the plans of Chelsea, not Maresca, yes, next season. Because as we all knew that next season, Petrovic will be joining Chelsea. Yes. And maybe Petrovic will be the first goalkeeper, or Sanchez, or the other goalkeepers we have. We have almost like 8 to 9. So, rumors said that if Sanchez is not in the plans of Chelsea, he may want to leave. And I'm not here to advise Sanchez whether to leave or not. Who am I? No. I can't make decision for Sanchez. No. But for me, what I know is that I know Chelsea. I know my football club. And I want the best for my team, Chelsea Football Club. So, whoever will come and do well for my Chelsea, I'm supporting that goalkeeper. So if Sanchez will stay next season and try to withstand the competition between him and Petrovic, yes, trying to show that he can be the first goalkeeper, that is fine. And maybe if he see that he can withstand the competition, maybe he can go. Yes, maybe he can go. I'm not saying that he should go. Maybe. By the way, guys, rumors said that Sanchez may leave if he's not in the plans of Chelsea next season. Because, as I said already, Petrovic may be our goalkeeper, our first goalkeeper next season. So, guys, let's really hope that Chelsea make top 4. Because that is all whatever Chelsea fan want. Yes, this season, top 4. All of us want Chelsea to make top 4. Not even the 5th spot. No. We want to enter top 4. Official as a record. Chelsea 3rd season under the new ownership. They get top 4, or that year they enter top 4. We don't want to manage and get 5th. No. It's for other teams like Man City and Co, but not Chelsea. So guys, Sanchez said he will feel disappointed, and the team as a whole. And I like that idea. Yes, this is what we want to. The eager, the zeal to win, the enthusiasm to win. Yes, I'm happy. Like it seems, let's hope other players get to know that they are playing for Chelsea. And the bare minimum for Chelsea to win trophies, or at least in a season, to get top 4. So guys, that is for Robert Sanchez. Let me hear from you under the comment section. And please, before we move on to the second topic, please don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button. When I see the numbers, it gives me the motivation to give you more videos. And Felix, AC Milan already sent direct message, straight message to Chelsea. Yes, said that they will return our player to us when the season ends. For them, they are not even trying to see, oh, we can sign him or not. No. Yes, information said, when the transfer window open, Felix will return. They will not sign him. And they are not willing to pay the 40 million or 45 Chelsea want to sell him. And welcome. He should return. Yes, maybe you will get a team to sign him. Yes. And this is a lesson to our owners. Yes. For them to be taking their time when they are about to do a signing. Signing players sometimes we don't need. Yes, I can imagine this is Gallagher replacement, or this is Gallagher swapping. So for me, when I'm seeing Gallagher playing, I still see him as Chelsea player, because once a blue is always a blue. Chale, Gallagher leaving Chelsea. See, I'm feeling the pain now. The time he was leaving, I wasn't seeing it. Like, I was okay. But now I'm feeling it. I don't know why. Because I was having belief in Keenan. Maybe Keenan will come and replace him very well. So now Keenan is not playing that big team football. Like, I'm missing Gallagher every day. By the way, let's hope our own peak form. When our players peak form, we'll forget about everybody. Yes. I remember when Hazard was leaving, all Chelsea fans were complaining. When Hazard leave, we can't do what we can't play. Chelsea cannot win. But after when Eden Hazard left Chelsea, yes, we went ahead and won the Champions League. Yes, won the Super Cup, the FIFA Club Trophy. Chelsea never won in their history. So a club is really different from an individual player. No. Player leaving your club cannot affect you that much. Maybe some seasons or emotions. Apart from that, we move. So guys, Felix will return to Chelsea when the transfer window opens or in the summer. By the way, let me hear from you under the comment section, guys. Do you think Chelsea should not sell him? Maybe add him to be a substitute for Cole Palmer? Or do you think Chelsea should sell him? Felix, guys. Let me hear from you. And Felix, see, we will have to get a video for Felix. His issues are complicated. By the way, guys, let me hear from you about Felix transfer. Chelsea should sell him or not. And Cole Palmer has been withdrawn from England duty. Cole Palmer will return to Chelsea doctors for assessment. He will not go for international games for England. He has been withdrawn, yes. And that is good. That is good because after our games, yes, against Arsenal, Maresca said Cole Palmer had some little knock. And I heard it is muscular injury. So he has been withdrawn from England, yes, duties. And this is a lesson to Enzo Maresca. As a young manager, make sure that you learn from your mistakes. Yes, some days Cole Palmer will need a rest. He will start him. Some days Cole Palmer will need to be substituted. He will let him play 90 minutes. I can't believe Cole Palmer play against Copenhagen. Yes, normal Chelsea or maybe experienced manager, even both, they're home now away. Cole Palmer will not play. Yes, he started it very well during the group stages. Yes, I can still remember he didn't included him, Cole Palmer and Nicola Johnson. But the knockout stage, he included him. Yes, but still some matches like the 17th game, I think Cole Palmer play. Yes, he play. Some games, Cole Palmer should not play those games. Yes, just even not only Cole Palmer, players who are Chelsea, like Nicola Jackson and co. Some games, they should not, oh, Jackson is not Chelsea. Yes, so guys, let's hope our manager learn. He is a young manager. Let's give him the benefit of the doubt. Just that this is Chelsea, the pressure is there, the expectations are there. I can't see Arsenal playing Champions League and Chelsea, I am playing Conference League. I can't see Manchester United playing Europa League and Chelsea, I am playing Conference League. Man City playing Champions League, Liverpool playing Champions League, Barcelona playing Champions League, Real Madrid playing Champions League, Bayern Munich playing. That is our level. Today I'm saying I'm not going to complain. That is our level. So that is why some of us sometimes will come hard because Charlie, it's not easy. Like unless maybe someone who started supporting Chelsea today for that person, and I don't know there is someone like that. I don't know now. I don't think anybody was like who want to start supporting a football team will pick Chelsea for now. I don't know. And we saw it already, guys. We saw how we were winning games, being successful in England, Europe. So now when you are seeing the team playing that nyama football, that share football, you become angry. You can't withstand it. So sometimes that is why we complain. So please sometimes understand us. Yes. When you see your Chelsea winning trophies here and there, it can't go 4 seasons or 3 seasons Chelsea without winning a trophy. So at the end of the day, when you see that same team now struggling to even win games, it pains you as a fan. It pains you. So sometimes that's why we come here, open our mouth to 360 degrees, complaining every day. So guys, these are the information from Chelsea camp. Felix, Cole Palmer withdrawn, and Sanchez may leave if he is not in the plans of Chelsea next season. Let me hear from you under the comment section, your opinion on your thought in all what we discussed in this video. Yes, please leave a comment and don't forget to do what? hit the like button and hit the subscription button when I see the numbers. It give me the belief, the motivation to give you more view. Today, I believe. Yes, confirm. Today, I didn't complain. No, 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 no. Today, I didn't go hard on anybody, whether Maresca or the owners. No, 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 no. Today, well done. Congratulations. Please clap hands for me. Pa, 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 pa. Myself. Take care. Take care. Peace.